how to enable dark mode in Figma. So if you want to give your Figma workspace a sleek new look, stick around and you'll be able to do it. So first, let's dive into Figma. If you're using the desktop app, go to the top left corner and click on your profile picture. So in my case, the profile picture is at the very right, but what I'm trying to say is that let's go to top top left corner. That is usually at the main menu, and you can click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. Click on the preferences, which is over around at the third last option. And once you hover your pointer at the preferences, now check out theme option. You can see again a drop-down menu with lots of options, and usually almost at the end you can see the option of theme. And now all you have to do is select the dark to switch to the dark mode, and boom, instant style upgrade. And that's it, your Figma interface is now dark, making it easier on the eyes, especially during late night design sessions. Plus, it looks super sleek, don't you think? So if you found this helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tips like this, and happy designing.